The Public Works Department continues its flood mitigation efforts in parts of Manila. DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon inspected drainage declogging operations along Taft Avenue as the agency eyes a long-term solution to recurring flooding in the area. Micah Razon is on the line for the details. Micah, how did the inspection go?
My second Manila inspection was conducted by DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon this morning. This time, Dizon visited the drainage declogging operations being carried out by DPWH personnel along Taft Avenue, saying this is a temporary measure to help ease flooding in the area. He added that the agency currently lacks the necessary budget this year but plans to request funding for the project next year.
Ang talagang solusyon dito, kung ano yung ginawa natin sa Santa Isabel, na pinagaki natin yung mga drainage, yun din ang gagawin natin dito. Humingi tayo ng pondo under the 2027 budget. Buong Taft Avenue, both sides, yung natitira, mga nasa 1.5 billion ang hiningi natin dito.
The proposed project will cover both the southbound and northbound lanes of Taft Avenue from Pasay to Ayala Bridge. According to Dizon, this solution has already been proven effective after the same approach was implemented in Santa Isabel, where residents allegedly reported that flood waters which used to reach knee level now subside more quickly.
Kung gagawin natin yun dito din sa ibang parte ng Taft Avenue, kagaya dito sa Gasal, naniniwala tayo na ganun din ang magiging epekto noon.
Dizon, however, asked for the public's understanding as the drainage improvement works are expected to cause temporary traffic disruptions. However, he assured commuters, motorists, and students that the project will provide a long-term solution to flooding in the area. Back to you, Mai.
Thank you, Micah Razon reporting.